So hello people and welcome back to my channel. So this is Niecey. If you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So I've been having these plaits in my hair for about 2 weeks now. Yeah, and I'm getting bored. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing some petal in there. So all you're gonna need is some rubber band. I already moisturized my hair. I normally put coconut oil and olive oil in there and water. That's all. So I'm gonna jump into the style and show you guys how I'm gonna achieve these nice petal. I did this style in my hair before. If I have a picture, I'll definitely try to insert it somewhere on the screen. But okay, we're gonna get started. Locs. That's the feel I get. So all you do when you're doing the petal, you just all you want to do is just play around with the hair, and all you do is, it's very easy. You just, damn, my hair is out of camera. Let me come down. There it is. Then you just fold it like that. See, like bend it and make a loop, and then you're gonna take a rubber band to secure it. Let me get a rubber band, Jamar. You didn't have to give me so much. I'm using 2 rubber bands just to secure the plaits. Okay. Oh my goodness. Just want to make sure it's secure and it's not pulling out. And see, just make a loop and it just drops like that. There we go. It's pretty easy. Let me try to finish up some more. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comment what kind of video do you guys like me to post. I like to do video vlogging. I don't know why the heck he's nothing up in the damn video. Move on!
Oh God. Stop!
Jamar, move! Did it say Jamar World, I'm here? Shit, let me do this.
The most thing people like about us is me. Like my poses.
They like you.
Yeah, I like hoses. They like
Shit.
me. They like me everywhere.
The rubber band got slipped.
I'm the best part of the videos. If I'm not in one, it's terribly.
Go. So you just want to play around with it and lay how you want it. This splat is getting loose. This is what CC do. Me trying to do my hair. This is what I get. Who did it?
0.00026 gallons.
This is it. Darn.